hello. How are you guys doing today? I'm back again. And oh, that's a cute little picture of my garden in the background. Hey, let me snap a picture. Click, cheese. All right, so y'all, I'm back again today, and I'm gonna turn you guys around. Give me a second. All right, y'all. So, precaution, warning, PSA announcement. My allergies are killing me, so if I sneeze or blow my nose, you guys know why. So this is my go away. There's a wasp every time I come outside. This doggone bugs want to come around me. So anyway, let me film this video. Y'all, look at my Brussels sprout. Yeah, horrible. The moths are tearing my plants up. So I did spray it down with just some soapy water. That's all. I didn't, like I said, I didn't put no neem in it because I don't want to burn the plant. But I am going to go in with some more seeds and plant some more Brussels sprouts in this area. And these seeds are really tiny. So I'm just going to go around the areas. And that's probably was too many. But I just dropped some in there. And then I'm just going to cover them up. And they're tiny, so you don't really have to like push them in the ground, in the dirt. I'm sorry, you don't really have to push them in the dirt really far. All you need to do is kind of broadcast them and just make sure they're covered. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hose and just water that in. And that's basically just going to be it for the Brussels sprouts. And that is and that is the video for today, guys. Just doing the little Brussels sprouts and cleaning up the garden. So now that I've watered it in, I'm just going to take just my fingers and just tamp it down just a little. Not too much. And what I'll probably do is spray this plant one more good time. And I just have a spray bottle with some soap and water in there. Try to get underneath the leaves. So nothing else can get in and just eat my plants alive. And I didn't see anything in the soil that I could kill. Oh, there it is right there. Damn it. You see it? It's right there. That sucker is the same color as the plant. Oh, and he a big one. Y'all see him? Oh, yeah. He's about to come to an end. Look at this. When I tell you, look at that, look at that, look at that. Just disgusting. Well, guess what? His life about to come to the end of the day. He about to be plant fertilizer. And I cannot. Got him. You gonna learn today, partner. Now you about to be plant fertilizer. That's right. Get in there and fertilize my doggone plants. Gosh, dog it. I did not see that thing on there. I thought they were black. Let me spray some more just in case there's another one on there. Well, I tell you, I be John Brown. These daggone bugs get on my damn nerves. Excuse my French. Golly. And I was just saying, I didn't see nothing on the plant. I'm looking for black, like the ones I saw earlier. So the ones I saw in the lettuce looked just like that one, except it was black. Oh, golly, y'all see that one? Another one. Dang, man. Look at, oh my God. Look at that. Damn. So they probably got more on here. And you can't, you can't even see them because they're the same damn. Well, you about to be plant food now. Any more on here? Now I gotta play Inspector Gadget. Oh, man. See, this is why you have to monitor your plants. Let me turn this thing around and see, because this is ridiculous. Okay, it's war. It's war. It's war. And I'm about to win it. This is just ridiculous. Anywhere else? Boy, I tell you. I swear to y'all, I sprayed this plant earlier. But I guess the soap is at the bottom. I've been shaking it. But okay, so if there's anything else on here, he is the MVP. Hot damn mess. 2 of them. All right, y'all. I don't see any more on there. Poor Brussels sprout. Just getting eaten all up. This all my hard work. All my doggone hard work. Like I said in my other video, everything that you want to eat, something wants to eat it too. I can't even get a Brussels sprout because the doggone bugs is eating it before it can even. This plant was growing good, y'all. Anyway, let me stop rambling on. So now I have a couple of more that I planted inside this pot. And I hope I didn't do overkill on the soapy water on the Brussels sprout. But yeah, y'all. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Watch your plants if you got to come out early in the morning. And check on them, water them, do an inspection, spray them down or whatever. Keep an eye, come out at least every day to check and see, especially if you see them being eaten, because like y'all just saw, this plant it's green, and the bugs that were on there were green also. So I would have never saw that if I just didn't sit here and plant some more Brussels sprouts in the same pot. If I just like wasn't up close and personal with the plant, I wouldn't have saw it because they're green. Now the black ones, yeah, they stick out like a sore thumb, but not the green ones. All right, y'all, so this video is long enough. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, fantastic weekend. Until I see you guys again, don't forget, share me with your friends and your family. It's free to subscribe. Would love to have you as a family member. Until I see you guys again, you know what it is. Peace.